Subscribe to Man Mahila Ka and hit the bell icon for more such videos. A strong woman can rule the world. On this note, we welcome our marvelous Mahila Sangeeta Prabhakar from Sharma Ji Floor Mill.
So good evening, ma'am. Welcome to Man Mahila Ka platform.
Thank you so much.
So ma'am, tell me about yourself and your successful journey.
I'm Sangeeta Sharma, founder of Annapurna Flour Mill. And the name of my brand is Sharma Ji Ka Aata.
Okay.
I started my business 6 years back.
Okay.
Before that, I was into teaching.
Okay.
हाँ, और जैसे कि teaching या कोई भी job हो, we have to sign in
बिल्कुल.
at exactly the whatever the time is allotted. 9 बजे तो 9 बजे log in करना है या 5 o'clock तक. And being in teaching profession, I had to get up at 5:30, then cooking for family, and then rushing to school, coming back by 3 o'clock. तो वो मैं बहुत comfortable नहीं थी उसमें. So I started my business. And when I started this, I found that this is more difficult. At least from school, I was relieved at least by 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock. लेकिन जब हम अपना काम करते हैं, तो वहां पर कोई टाइम लिमिट नहीं होती क्योंकि वो अपना काम होता है.
Yes, ma'am. So ma'am, any challenges you have faced in your teaching life, in your teaching journey, in your that entrepreneurship business?
Challenges are everywhere, in every field. Challenges हर जगह हैं, whether it is a job or it's your business. Challenges are everywhere.
Yes.
But we need to overcome, we need to tackle
Yes,
the
ma'am.
problems. Yeah.
So what type of challenges you faced?
Initially, when I started this business, एक वो skeptical था कि कितने customers मैं हर दिन ला सकती हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
ये तो एक challenge है क्योंकि नया है, you never know. क्योंकि लोग हैं and मेरा जो product है वो है आटा.
बिल्कुल.
और अभी इस वक्त किसी के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि कहीं से गेहूं लेगा, कहीं से पिसवाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, और बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स हैं, उनके साथ कंपटीशन है. हम तो अपने से जो ऊपर है उन्हीं से आगे, उन्हीं को अपना एक टारगेट बनाकर चलते हैं. तो उसके लिए मेहनत बहुत थी. हाँ, रिकॉग्निशन के लिए टाइम लगा, ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करने के लिए टाइम लगा कस्टमर्स के साथ, और वो बिल्ड होता गया धीरे धीरे क्योंकि मेरी मेहनत भी थी, मेरी क्वालिटी थी, मेरे पर्सनल रिलेशंस थे लोगों के साथ में. तो बस चीजें होती गई, लोगों का भी काफी सपोर्ट मिला और अप्रिसिएशन कस्टमर्स का, पॉजिटिव रिव्यूज. Of course, these positive reviews makes your day. Every day, if I get 1 or 2 positive reviews, I feel my day is made.
Very good, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you tell me what step led you to change your profession so drastically?
I was in teaching since 20 years.
Okay.
Right. And I wanted to get recognized in society.
Okay.
हाँ, कि मेरा कुछ अपना हो, मेरी अपनी कुछ पहचान बने. और इसीलिए धीरे धीरे शुरू किया. कोई भी काम एकदम नहीं शुरू होता है.
बिल्कुल.
In order to achieve name, fame, I started the business.
Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, from whom you taken inspiration?
Actually, I have a flour mill, right? And where I'm in the society where I'm staying, there was not a single flour mill, and people had to go to 3 or 4 kilometers for milling their grains. So one day while coming from school, I just thought of like, let us see, मैं एक दुकान देखती हूँ मिलती है क्या. And I got a shop on rent.
Okay.
अब दुकान तो दिख रही है, but करना क्या है?
Right.
I came home and same day I had to go to flour mill to bring my grains. Flour.
Yeah.
From flour mill. And it started raining. तो जो भी हो, हमारे घर में आटा उस दिन नहीं आया. अगले दिन स्कूल था, हमने चावल खाया 2 टाइम. तो बाद में उस दिन मुझे लगा कि नहीं, ये हम कर सकते हैं. It's like that.
So, ma'am, what motivates you? Any motivation you have taken? From whom you have taken that motivation?
There are so many ladies
Okay.
in the society, in my friend circle, who have started their business and they are doing well. So looking at them, I thought, when they can do, why can't I?
Yes. So, ma'am, anything more you want to discuss about flour mill, about your flowers?
Yeah, see, flours what we are manufacturing in our flour mill are free from chemicals and preservatives.
Okay.
Secondly, we meal grains once the order has been placed. So customers, they always get fresh flour
Okay.
and can be customized. We
Nice.
customize according to customers' needs. So they are also happy. They are getting the product the way they want.
Okay. So, ma'am, any social change you want to do or you want to initiate in your society?
Yes, when I started flour mill, there are people who made fun of mine. ये क्या आटा चक्की कोई business थोड़ी होता है,
Bilkul.
right? But you never know from where you can grow. If you have vision of growing
Yes, ma'am.
and contribute to the society, कोई काम छोटा नहीं है, कोई बड़ा नहीं है.
Ma'am, anything you want to discuss about your teaching profession or any difference you have to make about teaching profession and flour mill profession of yours?
Both are totally different.
Okay, so please take
कोई
up
comparison नहीं है. There is no comparison in like business and teaching. Teaching has become a profession, a business these days, which is not right. But what we are doing in flour mill is actually a business. That's the difference.
Yeah. So you have to put a light on that. You can.
What thing I didn't get you?
You want to elaborate about the differences?
Yeah, see, teaching is a noble profession.
Yeah.
Right, where we can't see how much salary I am getting for how many hours I have worked, because see, we are shaping the future of the nation, and when we are doing our own business, we are shaping our own future, we are getting our own recognition. So this is the major difference.
Okay. So, ma'am, any word pitch to Man Mahila Ka? Or any message you want to give to Man Mahila Ka platform?
Yeah, there are lines by Michael Jordan.
Yes, of course.
I can accept failure, but I can't accept not trying. So these are the lines which have encouraged me. If you try only, then you can get. If you don't try, you won't be getting success. You have, in order to achieve success, we have to dream first, and in order to achieve and chase our dreams, we have to work hard.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, anything more you want to like to discuss on this platform
Regarding
your flower entrepreneurship? As you are the biggest big business woman in your society, so you can share your achievements, your experiences, that how society tackling your flowers.
Yeah. See, whenever a person starts a business, whether he is a man or a woman, it's not about sex of the person. It is about whomsoever it is. See, we should give them chance. We should trust them. We should believe in them. See, it's about giving a chance to a person who's trying and struggling to come up and recognize his or her name in the society.
Yes, ma'am, of course. Very true. So thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your precious time to us.
Yeah, thank you.